Ladies and gentlemen, I have a special opportunity for you today. I'm offering space for your company's advertisement. Please share your proposals.
With just $0, you can advertise your business beautifully here.
Our first exciting ad is about this chocolate, and we're going to feature it in another image we have ready. First, we upload the chocolate image and paste the prompt. I want this chocolate image to replace the black container, tilted upwards in the air, pouring chocolate drizzle over the crepes. Around the crepes, add some sliced bananas and strawberries. Please create a realistic, high-quality commercial product image, billboard quality. The chocolate drizzle should look as if it is also dripping naturally while pouring onto the crepes. The lighting should be dramatic, with a warm backlight shining behind the crepes and chocolate to create depth and a glowing effect. Use soft frontal lighting to highlight the label and glossy details, making the product stand out beautifully. The chocolate tube must remain sharp, bold, and fully in focus, while the surrounding environment fades slightly into a soft blur toward the edges, enhancing depth of field. Use cinematic studio-style wide-angle lens perspective to give the scene a striking. Once the image is ready, we can download it. Look at how easily we created a professional advertisement, step by step.
Wait, just watch this video and subscribe. The advertisement is already done, with zero cost. If you want to save money and advertise easily, subscribe to this channel now.
Now let's move on to the next example. A raspberry milk product in a bottle, and a glass we want to include in the scene. First, click on Upload File, and select the bottle and the empty glass. Then click Select. Next, paste the prompt we prepared, which can be written ourselves or created with ChatGPT. Use the glass from the first image and fill it with the liquid shown in the second image. Replace the surrounding water with the juice from the bottle, ensuring the liquid looks natural and realistic. Garnish the drink with fresh raspberries and scatter a few around the base of the glass. Add dynamic splashes and pouring effects to create a sense of movement and freshness. Position the bottle next to the glass in a way that complements the overall composition. Enhance the scene with medium-sized droplets around the glass, giving it a fresh out of cold look. Ensure the proportions between the glass and the bottle are balanced and visually appealing. Arrange them at a slightly angled, billboard-style perspective. The splash effects should be sharp, elegant, and synchronized with the overall design. The raw glass provided must be detailed, water droplets on the surface, refined splash effects, and a realistic finish that blends seamlessly with the liquid. Apply professional studio-grade lighting, highlighting textures, reflections, and color vibrancy. That's incredible! Look at how beautiful this advertisement turned out. And the best part, it's completely free. For the next tweak, we want to enhance the design. Increase raspberries, slightly enlarge 2 to 3 droplets, add extra splashes around the glass, and increase liquid in the glass. The prompt step by step: 1. Increase raspberries on the ground to create a richer look. 2. Slightly enlarge 2 to 3 droplets around the glass. 3. Add splash effects on the outer surface and sides of the glass. 4. Increase the amount of liquid spilled under the glass and around the bottle, with slight variation in height and flow for realism. Once the changes are applied, download the file from the top section.
Which part of this video caught your attention the most? Let me know in the comments.
Now we'll create an advertisement for apple cider. Watch how easily we can create this in minutes. First, upload the image of the peaches. Now paste your prompt here. Replace the peaches with fresh, realistic apples. Surround them with natural water bubbles, carefully positioned to appear slightly submerged. A few bubbles should rest on the apples to enhance freshness. Transform the background into a vivid, water blue environment with natural ripples and wave effects. This creates a dynamic, refreshing atmosphere, emphasizing the product's quality. The final composition should look polished, balanced, and studio-grade. As you can see, the image now features red apples. Simply typing "red apple" changes their color. Upload the hand image and the red apple image we created earlier. Upload these two images together. Now we paste the prompt right here. Integrate the newly provided image seamlessly into the same blue water environment as the apples. Remove the existing orange tones and replace them with the vibrant, water blue background used previously. The result should feel consistent, immersive, and visually striking. The composition must highlight freshness and clarity, with the water effects enhancing the subject naturally. Ensure the lighting, reflections, and color balance are refined to billboard-quality standards. Wow! This is amazing! The hand is inside the water waves and the apples we created. It looks incredible. Now, this is where we're going to place the product in the hand. Now, we're going to write the final prompt for this task. Place the apple cider can inside the same blue water scene with the apples. Position the hand slightly above the apples so the label and text on the can are fully visible and clear. Ensure the can's branding is bold and legible. The hand and can should appear naturally integrated with the same lighting, reflections, and studio-quality polish as the original composition. This is amazing and truly incredible. Look how easily we followed the step-by-step tutorial. It's completely free, and you can create stunning designs on your own in no time.
Wait, just watch this video and subscribe. The advertisement is already done, with zero cost. If you want to save money and advertise easily, subscribe to this channel now.